Please, if you like it, take. If you like it, not take. That's for your own side. Today, I'm going to play audio. You understand? I'm going to play audio that was ordered by Mama Sharon, Madam 50 Cent. And I'm going to play to this night for you guys to listen to some few points. And a lot of social media presenters that are talking, and some of the families, some of the associates or friends to Sharon or the family, who always call some platform to also give their own side or give what does not exist, just to tarnish the image of Sharon or the image of the family or the mother. You understand? But it's going to be shameful and embarrassing to see the mother coming out on platform to talk. You understand? But due to her condition right now, she cannot speak. Instead, the people that are surrounding her can also speak to any of the presenters that try to hear the truth about the death of Sharon OKPAMEN. Yeah. You see, if you not die, if you not die, you not gonna know who really love you, who be your true friend. Every man has to know that I don't know, see your man. Now, when something drastically, something hard happened to you, now you go know your friend. Thank you very much for the gift. Now you go know your enemy. In every nonsense, there is always a sense. I want to first of all plead with everybody. You see this story of Sharon. Make una not just watch the sweet side. Make una pick sense. Take work on yourself. I wish say Sharon go fit just my prayer. I wish say Sharon go fit wake up now. Make you watch all these videos with this social media. Make she know who be her party, who be her enemy. I will say God for just do miracle. Make Sharon just wake up. Make she come see say the person when he help, the person where they get wrong things, don't they spoil him name for social media. Don't they talk waiting they do secret life on social media. Don't they give her bad names for social media. I wish that thing go fit happen. For be the most happiest person. I for drink for full day. And not go rest. That is life for you. If you reach my turn the same thing, people will say bad about me. People will say good about me. The same thing to you when they watch this one. That's life for you. Now let's go straight to Sharon. Mama. A lot of people, first of all, let me go straight to Epa Eddie. Now me call you Epa today. You get why? You know, say me, I know that they respect people that are respected, they respect themselves. You know, this is why I call you Epa. Because of Sharon. Now I call you Epa Eddie. Because you know they act like Epa. Understand? You know they act like Epa. The question you ask today, when you call, the call you make today, you're supposed to make the call first before you do that video yesterday. The video you did, where you turned the image of the Sharon mother, you could have asked that same. The call you make today, now that call you're supposed to make that call first before you do that video when you do yesterday night or the first day night. The video when you do yesterday night, you made that call same call when you do today before you made that call, because person just call you. I want you where I want to learn my way. You go nowhere when you man you go nowhere. When no one move them matter as a non-one in social media now. You will just bring fake rumors on social media. You will just castigate person for inside darkness. You know, say this woman they in pain. She dead in pain right now. Nobody will picking go buy. Your special daughter, one and only daughter, go buy. For our all crow ha. You don't go think about the trauma when this woman will go through. You don't go think about the pains when this woman they pass through. You don't go say get that ghost. They lie for her head. They frame this for her head. They talk with no play for her head. It not make sense now. Our presentation, it gets limits. Now when person they show do that say nothing they happen. Now you go let us say come. Social media will put up your body with two. You tell you what, it's just the way it is. You understand? But not that you know go ask questions now when they bring news they come out. Make I cast this news. Make I use and get view. Make I cast this news. Make the face talk and come out. Make the face talk and come out. You can just carry. Now this is why our people are dying. You go see two persons they fight. For the third person go reach there for you to go separate fight. Go they carry for the video. Man, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Give me love and like, give me love and like, give me love and like. It's happening live. It's happening live. It's happening live. The person go back for your face. This is the rate where social media don't go. Don't stay frustrate many of our people for the whole world. For the whole world. So people go see children, two small children who never reach adults, who never reach to the knack. They're going to see that they use it, they want it now. For him to beat those children with that kind of act, they're going to video them. When I see children. Look at Nigeria now. When I wait to where they go, look at Nigeria, those small children. So I'm going to say, I be Sabino Peking, I be Sabino Peking, I be Brother Sabino, I be Investor Sabino. Small children who are supposed to still be in school, they teach them better things. Now look at the content they create for TikTok. Rubbish. Waiting children not go feel use supposed not to talk for maths. They don't need to come. They're going to give them, they call it celebrity. This is the rate of our youth nowadays, where social media don't take us to the level of stupidity where social media don't bring us to. Our guests now, no guests they will reside there because of social media. You understand? Now, our fathers again, Eddie Murphy, as old as you are for social media, where we say you the see young president and come and don't take over from you. Nobody they hear your name again. Nobody they send you again. You know why? Because you start with lies. And now that lies now kill your career for this social media. When we say up till now, you never get shishi for Facebook. Because your phones are bringing fake rumors. This woman now, I believe say, I'm not going to tell you again, you don't call them already. You don't use them, they don't diagnose everything will happen to you. You don't use your ear. How can you clean the video you did yesterday now? The trauma you put for that woman body, the things when you talk about that woman will not be real. How can you clean it on social media? You don't go feel happen. Don't do it. That one did it. I don't blame you. Yeah. I don't blame you, pa. Why I don't blame you? Because now person call you, give you the information. You don't go to their house. Oh wow, now your house you did. Now they can't give you the information. But as a pa, as a senior man, just like the way me this one. If I show you me we know the record before. This Sharon matter. I started the record. Me will not know me for social media. I don't present, I don't record anybody. My brain carry load. Everything where you talk, I go talk. But I was forced to start recording. Because I don't know who be who. Because a lot of people would be there to scatter your platform with lies. I know how to protect my platform, they go. That's why people that love me, they still recognize me as the most. The one and only truthful teller for this social media. For Benin Cyberspace. Yeah, I love you. That's it for you. Now, from the beginning of this whole basketball of Sharon, the very day Nogi came out and said, Sharon, don't buy. And when Sharon was in coma, I didn't sleep for nights, early morning. Now they called me. Make I better come out. What? Well, I'm using it. Make I come out. So what's happened? Say that the social media don't catch fire. Say, catch fire. Say, what happened? Say the announcement said that the post the shadow picture say someone don't buy. As the person they talk, I don't carry my phone, not enter Facebook. First person where I see I know you, bam, you don't do video already. You ain't going to do video. I don't cast and say someone don't buy. I got a lot of don't repost them. Many of the big bloggers or presenters don't post everything. Okay, people don't post on bloggers. It's okay. But now what's the problem? So now lie, you never die. You dey come, never get nasty. Come. Don't follow me to all those kind of normal prank or talk. I don't follow for all those kind of prank. How is Sharon? Tell me what happened. She explained. Are you sure? I say yeah. Saturday talking now. In the day. That's okay, no problem. I will see what I can do. Immediately I wake up, I go on live video. I said Sharon is not dead. People should stop spreading the fake news, fake rumors about the death of Sharon. I did that video peacefully. Then we lock up. A lot of actors and actresses. They are not happy. So they do their normal things when they post. They don't wait go man, or give them message. What those kind of man post they post. Along the day, few days ago now, Sharon give up. Sharon give up. All of them don't hear say Sharon give up, but they don't fit talk. Because me, I know the fear of the fuck nyash. When I found out it was legit, it's true. Say yes, Sharon give up. I have to come out and break the news before the whole saga starts. Everybody needs to talk. The people that are calling themselves bloggers, who they sit down and they carry food, they face themselves, they accuse person when mama wait, they watch this, they knew these things all this while. They never talk about these things. They never did video about it all. Now we don't buy. They want from see they are close to Sharon to do video, which is very bad. Now, my lovely people, I go play audio. Let me first play audio first before I go narrate some stories about this Sharon concerning the video where a nogi and what I do. The person that disappoints me most for this social media. Now, someone say a nogi wife. The worstest person where disappoints me most for this social media. Now, someone say a nogi wife. Now, I was so ashamed hearing you they talk for your husband platform. I was so ashamed. I will come your side when I wait, because that's what I say. Message to I talk the story of Sharon, Mama 50 Cent, which is Sharon's mother, and others. Now, this audio I want to play so. Now, Sharon, Mama give the order. She couldn't talk to me. She had to handle the phone, give him brother wife, make it talk. You understand? She had to handle the phone, give the brother wife, make it speak to me. When I called and see how everything they go because of the news where they go on, I watched the movie video. I was shocked. You understand? I was really shocked yesterday because you know, say me, I don't like nonsense. You understand? I was shocked. So I could say, make I felt see what did happen, including one so-called Imadi. When I was Samedi, I been Imadi. I don't know Samedi. Should be Samedi. I don't know. One woman video where they go viral now. You understand? So I have to call to confirm, to gather my evidence before I go know I go strike for social media. Then the woman not go fit talk. That's okay because the woman's in pain. You have to give the photo to the other woman. Okay? Make it talk to me at least. Let me hear because they also they go viral for social media. I don't want to pick from people video they analyze. When you talk about person we don't buy now, don't say we they happy say this person buy. You understand? But many people they happy say that content for them. You understand? For those who know what they call lost. Nobody is useless. Everybody is important in one way or the other. So you're supposed to know what that one will feel now. Even though your goats, not to kill your goats. About you go feel them. Goats where they feel, where they even spend money, they give and leave. If you want to buy them, you go feel them. Don't talk of a human being, your own daughter, when you carry for 9 months, last. You don't reach to the feed you to. You just can't drop like that. Not blessed the woman will be happy. Now, the woman have to give the phone to the brother wife. They both take all of the there. Where they say, at the moment, see nobody stay with them. When I go listen to the background self, when I go listen to the day they talk, people were there with this woman. And secondly, Sharon house, where Sharon buy, not far from the mother house. You understand? Sharon, mama brings Sharon with him brother come Europe. He gave them Carter the sojourner. Documented under the new again. Now he give it to them. Which Sharon gets. Now, Sharon buy house. Sharon also buy house. Even the mother money still join the money which they buy the house. The mother is happy to say yes. He gets, he own picking gets. The house is not far from each other. Before Sharon born, Sharon was living with the mother. Before Sharon born, for those of you now where they talk say, now she day alone, and now she day alone. When I wait to the story of Sharon, now one so guys share this video and here. Before Sharon born, Sharon was living in his mother's house. When time reached to born, Sharon go hospital. She deliver. And after delivery, now the master carry and come house. Come in your own house. No be Sharon house. The mother house. They were both living together. Then, on Monday, last week Monday, Sharon gets headache. Sharon first child, you know, they follow anybody apart from Sharon and Easy. You understand? Then when Sharon get headache, call the mother say he get headache. Now the mother call ambulance for Sharon. The ambulance takes Sharon to hospital. They reach hospital that Monday morning. Doctor do some checkup for her. They say, okay, she need to drink water. Come back house. If she see her as a condition week, the next day, when she come back. Then when Sharon land back house that same Monday, she no fit sleep throughout the night. The mother have to call ambulance again on Tuesday. Ambulance pick Sharon to the hospital. When they reach hospital, the doctor comes to make Sharon run some tests. They want to run some tests on Sharon. So they say Sharon go bedroom. Make she go bring her urine. You understand? Make she go bring her urine. So that they will use her to do tests. Sharon got into the bedroom. Sharon slides down. Sharon fall. Use his head, hits ground. Then they rush Sharon straight to emergency room. Sharon collapsed. They rush her to emergency room. They started treating her. They found out, say, Sharon, one vein that lead to scars. It cut, it pump blood, go the scars. They have to start operating Sharon's brain. Sharon has already been on coma. Sharon already in coma. Now, Sharon in the hospital. The mother hope picking for house. The newborn baby. Don't fit carry the newborn baby go hospital. The newborn baby where Sharon was born, they with the mother for house. Sharon go hospital. The mother sent person follow Sharon go hospital. That one now run back home. Come tell the mother say, see what thing they happen. No. Mama there with the mama. As the mother get there, Sharon they already enter coma. They don't fix oxygen, they fix everything for Sharon body. Okay. Wait till the woman do. How what they need a prayer? Before we know what they happen, some of the Ovasabi people when still go there, they carry the matter go tell Enogi. They go tell Enogi the matter. Enogi now not calm down or make it ask question. She ball out on social media. You don't cast the news base. I'm on that bawan. I'm where Bob bawan. On Nakagbe. If this thing was unlucky, peradventure the enemy might not even know what is happening. Because of me, it's an attack. Not be ordinary. Then, it don't spread, bling, don't burst for media. I'm not beneath services. Yahweh, one of social media. Everywhere don't cast. Picture of everywhere. Person will see the coma, the breathe, and don't write RIP. You understand? I listened to a video when a woman called, say, if Ekba, it can't wake. I laugh. I don't want to saga anybody. You understand? Because some of the things where I hear, fascinating, I can't saga people. You go too blood, they'll say, they use person where die till you do saga. Now, I'm saying I know get by Sharon. You know, you have to come out and swear if you don't get hand for that woman death. That's the reason why I give that word, I relate that word, because now she cast that news. She don't ask questions. You understand? Then she define means to attach and don't burn person body. She define means to use and do saga to get content. When you know see me no way, I go change them for her. That one day one side. Now, that was how they were battling this woman or this wife. I did a video and said, you guys should pray for this woman. Pray for this woman, make she come back from that coma alive. That was my words. That was my video I did few days ago. But we see this woman come back alive from that coma. But we not feel judge. You understand? Now God know the best. The girl passed on. Okay, normal level, he passed on. A lot of things still, as we speak now, they still do for her, for still Sharon matter, for the death of Sharon. A lot of things they will say, they still do from the hospital. You understand? The newborn baby, as we speak now, he deal with the mother. He deal with the mama. Everybody they go there, go they console the mother for the mother house. Sharon live for the mama house before Sharon back. Sharon not back, he not for your own house. Of Epa Eddie mafia, they listen, you know. Person where they cast news give you when I come blue for media. Sharon not for your house or in bedroom for house. Sharon for hospital. In every room there's element of truth. You see, you can't start placing for bam, it's joint. But not before her house, not for hospital. She was living with the mother as she only born. Not be say she was living the Lord say mama care. Mama they go they say like as one woman where the one video where they carry the up and down. They down and they talk. Now bad mother. I don't look that woman they talk. I never want to analyze that woman video. When time all this, I go analyze that video. Where she go get all those news where she talk. She will come and come talk. No, I think I say this shall matter. It go drag, it go affect many people. That woman, when I mad there when I was Samedi, that woman where he talk say, now so he Babagida Kindika. Now so America and Japan play draw. You understand? They play 0-0. You go come and come tell us whether I be the referee with this Sharon house. How that thing take play. You go let us know. How you want to sell, want to open store. Maybe go buy something from my store that day. When Sharon buy, at least you go tell us. You see come and do video, let the world know. Because me I get interest with that video when you do so. That one day one side. Then Epa, I talk Besa, Domo, I greet you, buy the muffin. No call for now. You guys will just sit down and listen. The only person who will feel call me is the family member. And when time still reach, I will still call her. And maybe when I through this analysis, I play my audio finish, I will call her, she will speak. We will talk things, we will talk with proof. You feel me so? Now, but I agree to you, sir. I know say women, they're jealous. Women, they don't want to one count spirit when they use them. A part of video, you talk about Marshall 50 cents, Mother 50 cents. Say many things, many things. What we say, if you say no my mama, and that woman be, at the presenter, as I always say as the presenter, say no my mama and that thing be. If you go be my topic for this full year, 2 years you go be my topic. Don't be lie. 2 years, if I you go be my topic. You go be my topic. Me and you go start saga. We go the zanzan ourselves. You feel so? Say now that woman that really bomb say I be son. Now blood will take my on my phone. I get free wife for us. I get candidate for outside. We go the saga ourselves. I say no calling. Nobody should call me for the now. You understand? Most of the things where you talk, Epa. Many things where you talk. The only thing I see say where truth be. Now with that fall, but where it comes to fuck up, not get and clear. Person will give you the information, not give you where. Let me say it comes in our house. As you get only one go back picking, only one now can go for the truth. No. It really for but not for in house, not for hospital. Then when I want to now, you see now blame no or when you go everyone. But all the around we not be agree. But they could then see that our deputy governor to be your brother, he become liar on social media. I mean want to when I read wagwan yo kuweka uhawe emilo gbe wagwan zaga. Your wife go dey talk anyhow for the background. You as a man with a bring what I can't give, you are not constructive. You talk anyhow, you don't get respect for anybody, and you will find respect for small people. You don't get respect for anybody, but you go dey find respect. You go dey want small people can respect you. I will when I respect, but when I respect them so well. You understand? Do not to others what you want them to do to you. Respect is reciprocal. You understand it now? Sometimes if man do things for social media, we just look at the laugh. When you know, when you have your social media, say you spoil social media. Whether the muffin work back social media now. Which okay, that's the reason why you see, as far as social media is concerned, because everything we are saying it was lie. It be a kind of lie there, you know there. Both on TikTok, both on Instagram, both on Facebook. You are backward. And you are the most oldest man on Benin space. You have never seen them ask yourself a question. What's the other social media? Oh, you know. Oh, you go bring crowd come. But the crowd are watching you know you are lying. They will leave you. That's the disadvantage of lies. Advantage of being liars on social media, it will give you crowd, it will give you view. And after they view your life finish, they will mock you, they will come on, they will use that. They're going to mock you for their house. You understand? You go nowhere, you go just go down. And that's just every presenter that's coming up on Grace About Person should use Eddie Murphy life as a very good lesson to know what to say on social media, how to do your broadcast. It's a very clear matter. No beside the saga you but now the truth, now advice. I tell you, it is never too late, you can change. I'll be on where now a party with a name and what I enter. I am my water. I have one and water. I read the Murphy. If Murphy are tired, that's final. Now, what are you supposed to do with that one? Well, if you're 40 way by now, I hear you in anywhere, only 9 minutes, every no buy, you be old man, you be a pa. We're busy, people supposed to respect. Well, about Ben Wune, where you are. You understand? I see from our people the saga AG civilly say because he seeks tribute song. I don't really understand what the color of our problem. The basic color of our problem. You might understand. Now, as I do this live video now, before I go end this broadcast, let them do. You know my guy will they seek for me. Before I end this broadcast, my guy will drop music. Or dropping woman. You know the time I the saga Becky. Before I throw with Becky, my song don't come out. Hey Becky no more. Get where I'm well Becky. Becky oh money we move now when I do saga, now the song come in. Drop and goes to the drop and instantly. Send it for me. I play it's still in my page. If able me your mo, yeah no. Able me your mo. Now when I the saga if you, now that song come in, it drop on. You understand? So somebody bah, everybody get away to more in own personal person. I might come and put my hand in my jaw and start singing. You understand? I will start singing. I might come and start crying. It is just the way I want to mourn the person that bah. The same way Eddie really did. A man no what you or what's okay do. Una just want to be able to do their own choice. How can that be possible? How can that be possible? It's soon. That don't know your reason. Now, all of the drag it for TikTok, the funniest part. I was when they make one in the Facebook and let TikTok. I read they not many years they will. You want me talk? You want door? They don't follow a key. Yeah, by Facebook. Yeah, okay, beyond Facebook. Yeah, they TikTok. You understand? But leave my color. Forget my color. Mom could just clear the month they go. You understand? Now, Mama Sharon, not the husband house. First, well, you know, the man with Mama Sharon, the friend. Now I paid the movie now. I want to talk to so. According to your video, where you say Mama Sharon snatch first his husband. I said no calling. If that's not the hear English. Love it pants. What do you want to talk? Love it pants, I hear you talk.
Oh, this man.
I don't pick your talk.
Hello.
Talk.
But what is the last call? Or love me, I didn't get a call now.
Go here. You are on, or don't speak out, madam.
Yeah, no, getting not of wine. If all this money anywhere, I prove out to you, listen to me. I prove out to you, that's the way you do it. You don't even know where sorry for the come. But what they you? I don't want to call your name. Me, they tell you now, everybody when they listen, even about what they smell. If you just say that's the way you do, what they you were just you be
Sharon.
You be friends. And anyway, Sharon, anyway, what a time. Who wanted to move with the all is like I done it. Near what again, right? Or may you marry me a town? You won't wear a bad movie with it over it could have not there. You won't play a bad movie because a marital a bad movie. Hey, one, you want to take a radio. I don't know. A girl, I know your way.
Well, forget the matter girl, only my dinner. Matter girl, man, you are in a forget about the girl. Manaston.
Okay, if you saw I won't pop the getting one point, I wear on one time. Make a way, Matana, if you saw on one time, for any year, blue movie, and who is not away and when they get agent because. Okay,
give me chance. Hold on. We can reserve the state away. My go call now. Let me finish. Let me learn first. Okay. Reserve your statement first. I never need call. Nobody should call me. Nobody should call. But I call for the now. My go call. Nobody should call for now. Let me learn first, please. I want to plead with everybody that are watching me. Nobody should call me now, please. Let me learn first. Now let's go to the issue of Mama Sharon. We buy the movie talk. Mama Sharon was single, was a single mother. Then there's a man with a friend. As we speak now, the man the Austria. Is he Austria? The man the Austria. It's done. The man the world. Man never see chance to come. This man got married to a woman, the first wife, was born for him. He not go and not go. He follow that woman. The one we go for, the second one we go follow. Now warfare. That one still born for him. That one and tiger, lion, the lion and the tiger combine together. That be that one. The man not get peace. Try to look for peace. You don't see peace. Now the man base. As the man base, he calls him Masharon. He runs with Masharon. He begins to talk with Masharon. As a single mother, okay, good and fine. The man say not the one picking it. Masharon says okay with the one you get one picking it. They started dating each other. His son. Then this other woman, this second wife, find out say the man went born for the dating Masharon. He started to give Masharon problem. You understand? He started to give Masharon what problem? Not maybe first wife or second wife now. Started to give Masharon problem. Now when this issue come now, I surprised to see say Epa Eddie say Masharon snatch person husband. And the person forget say you are a traditional man, you are a big man. You understand? They're not the snatch person husband. Now man they marry John wife for me. You understand? Or who name or don't know way. They're not the snatch person husband. If you are a man, so you know, so you get wife for us. You want marry. And secondly, some men don't tell you tell women say they get wife for us. You know, be like people like us now with the boots, the food, the toast, they don't say, I get wife for us. So you understand? So some men, not they open and they deceive women. They don't go tell the woman say they get wife. Now when the woman don't fall your better. Before the woman call they do investigation, they come and say this man when you do for friends, so he get wife. That time it's too late. Some men, some women go quit. Why some still follow up like that? It depends on the rapport of the man. So for Epa, that one when you say it's not person wife, Epa that one a lie. The man has never married. The man not even get wife for us. As we speak, apart from say she and Marshall the friend, the man not get wife for us. Now baby mama, they are all what? Baby mamas. You understand? That one on one side. I just mean I clarify that one sharply for you. Now let's go to the extent of where a Nogi and a wife they talk say, and you don't get when I go there abroad, when I go they carry man for Nigeria, but they carry better for Nigeria, call the oh guys, come on, sit down. Rope they feed goats. Chain not they feed goats. Chain they feed dog. Rope not they feed dog. Everybody for this life get waiting they work for them. If guy for abroad work for you, or you are fire down. If Nigeria are good for you, continue. We get many of our guys here, we go Nigeria, go marry, woman come here. Anyhow the thing be, they take come. Some marry come, they are happily married till today, the day here, with their children. Some marry come, as they reach a last guy collect for their hand, as the woman say, I finish. You understand? Now so it be, now 50-50. A guy no gay, I greet you. Not necessarily call you no gay now. You where they talk, they tell women, you are your wife, when I sit down, I want to talk small thing. Oh, someone say, total. Someone say, you say, why Sharon? You are the wife, your husband say, on a verse, say, Sharon, go marry, you go the bone, go marry man for Nigeria. Someone say, if you dey forget body, you know, say, I did social media, all your story, they my hand, and I will remember you. When you really born, your husband beats you, you enter coma, they carry you go hospital. Is that a marriage? That one a man? Sharon not better pass you like that. In no man better when you really born. You understand? Who not get back, get the one with tear. It better pass who get the one with tear with the leak. Then you get. So you get husband and now you depressed. You eat depression medicine. Some of them talk for social media. We don't think about myself, my problem first. When you educate people on social media, does it just mean say the Facebook? Now you have to look for money, talk anyhow. Now most of the people that are intelligent, that are smart, they watch you now for social media. You will be say your husband, your wife, your husband come and disgrace you. Say your tutor on the sweet, your tea on the sweet. But not a month and 2 weeks, marriage was dissolved. The Dakeji block carry on now the way the Dakeji block carry Sharon so. The first social media live video presenter marriage that has went to the Dakeji blog with shame and disgrace. Now your marriage. Now you dey advise people of marriage or who to marry and where to marry or gaming pack way. Or ga pack way. First brush your teeth before they tell you say a man the smell. First of all, brush your teeth before they tell you say a man the smell. Oze no waru we na ye gbekyan am I solve no solving no solution. Now you the mock person. We afa. Some of the things when they do, people they want to say, hey man, I quick color, I not get brain. But me go, I go come beat my wife, stoop off. Now I go hospital when she just really deliver. Right? Then you come and come insult a person like this. Bro, if you don't know, so, Sharon husband, the guy when born for, not be your husband because he never marry him. You understand? Now one man Sharon born children for. For those of them who lie say a guy when gave him a lady Jenny, you are lying. The guy na Jando, na Lagos the guy they stay. Now big boy, the guy get house. Even so, now guy went for Lucky. Now Lucky for big house. When you don't know, but you don't know, come up matter. Person don't buy. Una dey spoil him. Can you imagine? Or someone say, you say Sharon your friend. Sharon, I carry you go Denmark. You come up on social media, come and narrate how you and Sharon take do the show. Huh? Man, I was shocked. You feel sit down for social media. They talk how you and Sharon take hustle for Norway, for Denmark. Oh, this life no balance. Oh. I do my drink. It's a really sad news. It's a big sad news. Say you go sit down, get. Come they narrate for your husband platform. I will not tell hustle. I will not tell hustle. You can't narrate. You can't talk. I don't want to play a video. I don't want to play a video because I can't play and go like only spread the news. Una do atalo. Before yesterday, or was not the first day or yesterday, I did a video and I said it. This Sharon where your husband they talk about now. And that Sharon, now it make your husband find you. Now that same Sharon took you to Denmark when you don't aspire for Italy. No work again. After many years of the show for Italy. 5 years for further, when they didn't knock you. And Sharon took you, say, guy, top up your game. Now she tells you, say, top up your game. You want to talk, say, Sharon hustle pass, Pekin, don't be like Pekin with Macari come. Guy, Pekin with Macari come, then there's work for abroad. Now one's work. Who get opportunity to come with DHL? Come this Jan. You know hustle, that's you are a mugger. You are a mugger. We will use Lair waka come. We see the hustle like it will not do. No talk of who does not come the cut of gold. Put document for your hand, what do they expect? You go shoot it for everybody to find the money. You go want better pass mama. You go want to explode more than the mother. And one thing I like say, she buy a house. She buy a house for this Europe. Whether you like it or not. As we speak now, Sharon house now there in mother day now. As Sharon buy so, the mother have to pack to Sharon house because every letter we want come now, go they come the house. Also, Sharon everything police everywhere they come now for investigation and check up. Now Sharon house they come because now Sharon house Sharon for get residence. So the mother have to be in the house now to attend to every government activities that's going to happen now before the matter where they will prepare the girl burial. You understand? So you will see me the thing you want to talk to follow that woman. No be that one. Now I want to ask one question. Epa, I talk better the movie. You say Sharon will not walk. I don't understand though. I believe my brother first day here now. Person not work for abroad if you carry person come for Nigeria. How you want to carry come? You don't get good. You know they work. You know they see they pay tax for the government. How they want to grant your Peking visa? I bad when I'm only talk truth. Person will not work, you get restaurants. You get Africa shop. See no they work. Which kind of work on talk about again? I shall work on the talk. I don't understand though. You understand? I'm not going to answer you. I'm not going to block you. So you are the most lazy youth on social media. Thank you very much. Thank you for being watching the lazy youth. And you are a lazy viewer. When you are watching the lazy youth, the most lazy youth on social media, that means you are the most lazy viewers. I greet you. That's a nice comment. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. You don't want to offer a go at all right now. You feel me so? I want to use brain. And now one side. Let's play audio. Share this video right now. Let's play audio.
So, on a where we take on day, we have a woman and winner. On up your member, do on a life, on avenue, avenue, on a year. Who have a young winner? Who better not go, Mamma, no, to make my case not all when we came matter. It's a shadow of one of the end of the government. Who have a we could work on going my last of them now. Oh, we work on them so the taxi one because the wife is saying. Because of the people can still come out and make video and talk bad of her. It's a pity. Udameona, when the shadow of David, the shadow of Pierre, the hospital of
Now here the woman they talk in the background.
Video ni oh keke ni ato.
So.
Iya ukwe. Mama wa topa. Get forward.
Pato.
Get watch your papa.
Pato.
I wouldn't need.
Okay.
Very, very sorry for the loss. You understand?
Wait sorry for the loss there.
Very sorry for the loss. I understand how she feel. You understand? So very sorry for the loss that so no one not yet we've been to bear the pain. You understand? But my
the woman is in pain, they should stop. When they have stopped. But then they social media, they say, Mama, no, and it's all her. Would I be on that? Oh, Mama, no, maybe one now, I call it no give, no, Mama, no, it's 11. Okay, oh, it's alive. They are alive. But when you're here, from anywhere, they're not getting all the money to me, now. Would I be not to get information now, come here where you know me, but here we are 100 by 100 because of what they are you and Sharon. The mother don't play with Sharon. Cool. I'm going my many when I ask you about your family night. I'm going my
wow. What?
Cover that.
Then you tell you how video later. Okay. I will address the issue.
Alright, my people, I greet you all with better style. I really say you not listen to this mother, your brother, wife, Sharon, mama, brother, now your wife, then he talks. You understand? Now when they go me on Sharon house, they feel me so. So, the woman we call for your platform, we call you. That's the woman still call me. You don't understand? This particular person we call so was the first person we call me for night, for early morning. When I no do video, after I no do video finish, and this particular woman called me. You understand? I even send me Sharon picture, not get Sharon picture. Now, in Nogi, the woman we called you, wait till you see Sharon fair, bye. It not come by again, it can't wake up. You understand? And therefore, no see. Lie don't they? Kill it don't they? The woman go Sharon house. He did with them as this thing happens. He did the house. Make it by the one for the listen now. Where no one Sharon Yagu, nobody did the house. Make her go the woman. Be like I get the woman or something like that. Why now? And I go see place Stanley. Oh, you know one. Stanley. Oh, you know one audio. Video too. It'll free me. This one the one video with the one.
But nobody in my time from that. So, if you are called, so no make a line. But you know, not Ota, Mama Chow. Well, this social media, come well at Janego or woo. So, no, in a hair, I'm yarrow, but well, or woo. The one minute the tower, I am more your tower, so easy, all my platform, now we are calling. So, second, I am more your top. The no bow, I call it presented, but Mama, no, see, I don't know for now. The brother, the woman. When I say, I will now say, many things, so you give up, they will tell you that. All this way. Mama, brother, whatever I was saying, I was saying. Ciao.
Alright, my people, I greet you all with that. Now I play this audio for now. I just play this voice for now. To know say The same voice, the same person we call Enogi for Enogi platform. Also, they call me too. Your son. Also, they call me. They give me the updates. What is going on for that house. And the person was right in the same house. And that was the reason when Enogi came out to break that news, say he didn't get 100 missed calls. Say Sharon Okpa. People they call him. In the club. Say Sharon Okpa. Then I was okay. Now, and I can't hear say Sharon never buy. So the person will tell you Sharon Okpa, you need to prove him. The person will tell you say Sharon Okpa. Definitely that person they inside the house. If they follow that they go to the hospital. No way till they play for inside house. We cast the news come up and give you. Nobody should call me. We cast the news come give you. The person they inside house there. If anybody want to call, so you call with the German number, not the call with my UK line. My UK line is not available at the moment. You don't feel me? But now the last one. Let me pick this. Let me play this video. I leave this video. I don't want to play video for now. Now, the person calling Enogi because when you see say, I don't raise fire for this Sharon matter. You understand? I don't already accuse Enogi. Say Enogi get hands for Sharon death. The person now they call me say make I beg. Say Enogi not get hand. Enogi not get hand. Make I die the matter. Make I not accuse Enogi again. I beg who don't die, don't die. Make I not accuse Enogi. I say no. Enogi have to provide the person we call and tell her say Sharon don't buy when Sharon see the coma. Because why? The person will come cast down news go give Enogi. The person was inside the hospital. You understand? So for Enogi, for that same woman to also call Enogi, when he called Enogi, he made two statements. He said, Sharon, go hospital. As he reached hospital, Sharon collapsed, he did coma. Later, Sharon be back. Listen though, he said Sharon be back. He said, but later, Sharon can't wake up. He is trying to say, when the news was casted to Enogi, say Sharon got back. Truly, Sharon got back. Then now, when we come out, come to say, now lie, Sharon never back, Sharon did coma. So now true, say Sharon not really did coma because they wake up. So Enogi not know, say Sharon got back. What Enogi know say Sharon got back. So who go tell Enogi say Sharon got back? We there with the guy, we there with Sharon for hospital. Enogi no Germany. Sharon there for Germany for Italy here. Me, I did Italy here, I did for Roma. You understand? So, me were there Roman and let Enogi know say Sharon never back, Sharon dey coma. You were there Germany, you cast come out the nights. Come cast down, say Sharon don't back. Who be that person? When tell you say Sharon don't back, me don't get proven. It's very important. Now the reason why I say if Enogi not prove that person, that means Enogi get hand for the death of Sharon. For those of them when all those Yamanyama presenter, I'm not gonna blame you now. Person like that one, that bunch of way picking carry bull like that. We decide that they talk. Only no money why I say I know what be no more feel kwa. E Sharon pa ya go na omo buje. O wewo. No wa be no be have feel kwa. Without no husband. For you to come say you are not a mother, you are a useless mother. Pack picking for your hand, go give father. Make father take care of you. Fathers supposed to be paying mothers now. Now you they pay fathers. And you they come for they call it talk for better people matter. Can't pass down. Quiet ass idiots. Hello.
Hello, Daddy.
I greet you.
Good evening, Daddy. Bele ya the sweetie. You know what Bele the sweetie? Daddy, this saga where your bad do with Enogi do. No say Enogi last time I say he don't want talk. Here, mama never said they don't want talk. Now they want talk. Because Enogi don't say fire don't they burn up on us. Even
the woman tell me say Enogi they cry for a year. So they accuse us in Sharon. Okay. If it comes to show me that you could have bones. You go to cry for the woman here.
Say that they accuse her. Enogi no say he don't fuck up. So you don't know how you want to clear this man. That lady will call Enogi for a platform. He still call me, he still call you. You understand? Me, I suspect that girl say, na I no get because I no get say maybe I no get tell her say you go call talk and I let the girl call the call about we rest. You don't call Mama Sharon all this kind of this thing already because I not agree for the girl. Now already this one we don't hear for the Aussie smash by himself. And no get. They are fighting now more problem. Let them enter. See, I did come and say, my husband, my mama na ashawo. Like say they do this thing, if they collect because the one is that cover the mess, so that make the saga, make they call the fear for saga. Mama Sharon, more or no fear. We my father day, he go cure or curable. You understand? More no your fear. More na go stomach no get juju paper. Who tell her must come and say?
Exactly.
Person wey tell her it must come outside because the girl they try to preach everything. They try to convince me. Me now I know the year word. If I don't hear go, I know the year come back. I no agree. So that this matter I'm not saying na person die so, but this matter so now I'm not gonna try this matter come outside social media. We need to let them know say that not everything is supposed to be talk for social media. I must bring the person out.
Exactly.
That's that the saga Mama Sharon.
Yes, now. That's why the saga the woman.
They saga because the one queen saga take over. It no go back, it no go walk. We are ready to go. Thank you, Daddy.
God bless you. Once you provide the person, see the person will tell her. Now let's see put it. Sefini mata clues. You understand? So that Mama Sharon will know the household enemy when you get. Now let's see put it. Hello, they hear you. This speaker.
I want to talk about but where Sharon now, oh now, or the
yes, now. Yeah, now.
Because anything a woman Latina or mother don't broadcast a key or information, no one no money, Mamma, we anyway, calm down. And we are all the information on the body, Latina, all of one. West Sharon, I was Saga. Any more one need to away with information with me or one of the information. Can you imagine who a governor who go to a club? And you know what? All dream is called a governor with here. All dream is called. And I'm calling where Sharon. Okay, now, boys, man, if you don't know, we will run up. Well, some say, good be okay. You know what we talk, and then up. Or what way a shadow did, Basha walking. I want to the other time up there, what Basha will lay ya. What do you make this? Oh, this. Eh? Mamma, they will catch me, and you will laugh at you. Every will laugh at you, every I will laugh at you. Come on, down you all. Oh, that belly who went people, Emmanuel Bereba. Who got to that for your way, where of Basha will. You say, no, caution, what? If we are left it here, do not damn you. I will commit on the correct and will shut up over your mouth. Oh, what you are good. How will they cost me? But all the other body comments. Because everyone can make it messy. But what is my I tell you, who will again here? What is we can't call it, but ain't nothing I for me again here. Because again, you're very quick. A bad most one cannot blame a bad most essay. Not to blame a bad most. You understand? Because every year can be bad to the only thing I can make sure again, but we again, and you also remember that take it out the game away, and then the most in the future of what the future, or not them on one Latin, or we are whatever. Okay, you say Sharon, I am work with anyone on you, when you wear or see Sharon, you say you are work when I
understand. 2 minutes. Look, they call in.
Okay, where I mean, here every information where my nigga one you are just okay, you want to look at Sharon. I'm not buying it.
Thank you. Hello? I got you. Did I live with you?
Auntie, I go sooner ne. Opa ni atama we Sharon. Egi emino sunu social media na egi distracting way. They
they only have rumors in Yamukia where erige negligent, erige one. And I came here one of be a wibu. And I came here one of be a Moge Sharon, Yes, Sharon, Ekia distract way, Golotemi no bobu way. These are distraction, Ekia distract way, Yes, Sharon. I'm segment no work about video. I can't distract you. I won't a manisti. I can't distract you where you Sharon Lab go. Make sure where anything not soon that Sharon because Sharon is obvious. Walk a elgapo. Make sure we more thing no go.
Thank you. Thank you. Now you will come for UK line. I'll block you. Not coming for UK line again. If you not get rid of my number, forget about to call you. Not coming for UK line. First, give instruction. Don't call my UK WhatsApp. If you want to call me my German WhatsApp. If you don't have my German WhatsApp, ask for it. Write down my comment section. I will give you. Simple. And stop distracting me. Now, Osawe say, Osewunu, now say hoe. Okay. Awoga nogi. Enogi kpoko. Enogi ewi. Enogi egwi. Enogi no boku. Enogi no bokan. No yo haye koma. Enogi negwa yo moku. Enogi no bowie no bokan. Koyo. Obogia. Hello? I greet you. Go ahead. This speaker.
Menati agbajuwe with the lali Italy will sing. You marry a lion in Woolworth.
Oh.
No, Woolworth. No, back on your limb, you have a matter. I won't you know here. In that so, Nima Danik, baby, me, Jonah. They make Ganaya, we go if Facebook.
Yes.
One day, we not bonalaja, no gunalaja. Oh, Malagway, no give. All alaja,
we no give we.
We on our we 12 years or we have breaking news. Ego, Magu. Where are you? In your now.
Bros, I bet fast talk your word now 2 minutes. The time we are there over. Because it's not call.
They not that. No ball of water in Facebook now. Or are you toy not pay a movie?
Very good.
Because for devil. Hey, man, got time open now. Oh, one man, we are we're not a man, we're going to go now, William.
All right, thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you very much. You're right. Now let's go there. Osawe say, "What the funa wanari mowie, wahiri mowie ne wandu tai live video. Uro dosu wan tell story. Then ba wa ya agbegbe agya we Debunked. Venu Sharon ya hozo, eno ya gbashawo webu. Omo no wo, osuwe no wo. Iwa ni bunya ba ate drama. They are still not okay till now. Egbe ma yera ni bu. Many of you are still shocked. As we speak na easy mighty gwan. Is your bede, who's your bede? Your bede ko yere. Is your moruji? Almighty post. Is your mom never still post? On my yeti wanting now, she's still that shock never even wake her up. Check out the actress. No eti Guero. Amen. Wadiai Sylvester Wadiai. Go to Sylvester Wadiai page. He only post and pleaded with people. No way you done he walk. No way you saga he walk. But other for no zoom that no get we no man wagmu. Nuga na ko de ko waya. Wunda wa gwanige Facebook. Wa wena ya roko. Me ati ya gwa koko. Ya say if you born by social. When we tell we gbo because that one fail now that ART will now break other heel now. After I go your own in a month or 2 weeks. Opera gbo will not disgrace you. On our ban one social media. When I disgrace you, but walking my hand with your hand, it be a no, it be a oh, that for me. When it be a gap, una teach you that for it be a gap. I will not be big with someone or say, O Maria Guella, O Maria Guella, so I say, O Maria Guella, I will go boy, oh, girlfriend. I love you in the Chinese language because OKPAMEN or dinner. Right, Boagbe uze OKPAMEN or here dinner. We don't wanna look here. Oh, Boagbe. Hey, Joe. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Go ahead. Let's speak up.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. They hear you.
Hey, Jama, what's up, man?
It was not too good.
What alone maybe we Baba.
So,
Yes. He was down your way. He was you now. Hello?
yeah, we hear you. Low side the way. To Naga, though.
Okay. When okay. Mr. Profito.
What up?
No, no, give away.
So,
You understand me now?
so,
La wubu. Matalu tana. Usalubwa. Ogewe adie. Social media na. Nudo ate wata my mami yeto. You understand me now? No gi. No mani beni. Dawe. Iye dimofi ya magbo. Iwa dawe dimofi na my brother. You understand me now? Iye dawe dimofi. Emi ya no wata is zero. You understand me now?
yeah.
It's zero, it's nonsense. You understand
Yeah.
my brother? Kemike Nyariata, Ezaya, Emma Kalutana Wata here. The Mofika can no give we Mariati, no man, Benny, Udayashi, Iare Doria social media now. Here only had to add the DCV do. You understand me now? When I'm near where if we are, if get anyone like Udayashi, my brother Lawu, after what Mamma, oh, my brother Lawu, Ezaya, comment section, Kaya, Eddie, you understand me now?
Yeah.
I'll give you the latest updates in my head, we know here concerning OKPAMEN. You understand me now?
Yeah.
When OKPAMEN ya we, Bame do not have any via G. Again, the Mofi do attack within the Butena. It is Namahona, they are rubbish. You understand me now, my brother? Solubo Adiba will continue your good job. Okay, God bless you, sir. Oh,
yeah.
Come, my brother.
Yeah.
All right, one love, man. Yeah.
Yeah. That is for that. The truth is this. Honestly, it's so shameful. The same woman that helps you, the same woman, no more work marital, we are a Denmark. No, you are one mama. After you spend decades of years in Italy, Umayati be too flatty, rufo. This same woman stand for you, help you, we are a Denmark. We are to tea abe. Viziki rowa no bo, itu flash no bo ni yobe. We are saying that same woman today is gone. For you to feel so bad, the next you could do is to come out on social media to start telling the world that she was a prostitute. To start telling the world. We know you hate big aga. Oh, when you hate big aga, ona ya doa, ona ya woman. Oh, well, you go no other people to beg Facebook. Aya will renovation work you. Those that plaster what we cut you. Unyamia. That's to tell you where who basha will fail. Who basha will lose God. Who not lose. o ma ti da me ke ihu we na gbegbe age ye na mo to flat to gba e mo flat to gba me na mate e na vie ten vie mo ya na vie na webo sa mo so wa ya wewu aru de woro wa e ki wa woro wa numu la woro owo venu kala ti se ase venu ti egbo e he am meaning money for free of charge e mu weni asian for free of charge e mo ye go we na go de sin kwa na wetin egbobobo at the end of the day why you end life where you end your life as a miserable life with no logic okpe no ho okpe na ni re egbo na we go bi me na ozo or end life with okpe ni Sharon biena is a big ball okpe ni nego we ko iya yo ko pa yan eso so wani do gbe social media wa lo si aro take dem wa igbe ai han ni hello yeah, we are hearing you loud and clear.
Hello.
What's up?
Okay. Good evening, everyone. So it's me, the lady that called Frank Umenwine.
Okay.
When the lady that called Frank Umenwine this morning, when I was with Mama Sharon, that said that she's in pain, that she cannot say anything for now. So I am the lady calling now. So I have been watching Frank Umenwine, and I also sneak into Enogi platform where he wrote that Frank arranged with the caller. Frank never arranged with the caller. I am the person who called him today, and I called with the consent of Mama Sharon, because the woman is in pain. She cannot say anything for now, and she's not a social media person. So the reason why I'm calling again, because she asked me to tell the viewer that whatever that is going on now, and whatever people are saying, and the lady that called herself Osamede, that if what they are saying is true, I'll be well with them. Everything will go well with them. But if they lied against her, that she did not take care of her children, that the pain she's going through right now, that she will go through the pain, she will come out of it. But when they are all happen, they will never come out of it. They are going to go in deep pains that nobody will be there to sympathize with them. So now I will beg every one of us to keep calm. That woman is in pain. Whatever video that is going on social media now, people are showing her the video, and it hurts her very, very well. You know, as a mother, when you are satisfied a lot for your children, and something like this happen, instead of the woman to be mourning her child, people are coming to drag her on social media. It is not the best way. And whosoever that is doing this rubbish to her to tarnish her image, whatever money you are going to take from this social media because of this issue is going to become a pain and a sorrowful money. So you better deviate from whatever video or tagger you are doing with the name of Sharon. She's dead. You are not supposed to saga her or saga her family. You are supposed to mourn with the family. All these that we are doing on the social aspect is not the best. That woman is not happy. She has only 2 children, and she's proud of her children. They don't have misunderstanding. They are in good terms. She brought them from Nigeria with documents and everything. She was working, but it got to a point she decided to operate on her own personal business, of which she's doing well with it. Please, you people should stop all this. You are hurting that woman. You are hurting her. She's in pain. Sharon was so dear to her mom. I pray that God should give her the heart to bear the loss. That Osamede that called herself Osamede that said she was also close to Sharon. You people will hear her story when the time comes on this social media. Please, for now, everyone deviate from this saga. Sharon is not the type of person that likes saga. She don't like saga. She does involve herself in saga. Doing this saga after her death is a painful thing. She might not be happy wherever she is right now. You that called yourself her friend, you claim you know her very well. If really you know Sharon very well, you are not supposed to be doing this on social media. Doing all these things, it shows that you were an enemy to Sharon. So if you know that you were not an enemy to Sharon, stop this, but because she never likes all this rubbish. She has never done this all her life. So if you people should stop, please let peace reign for now. Let the mom mourn her daughter in peace. That is all I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. I'm going to ask you a question. Obvious. I feel ask you a question. Because again, one woman will call saying, Mama Wendy. You know Mama Wendy?
Mama Wendy from where?
We call for a platform. We say.
Okay, wait, call. I think on Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, we say I'm in a cousin. You know, it's a cousin.
Okay, she not be cousin. She not be cousin. According to what Mama Sharon, my husband also know the woman. Though my husband is not around, he has gone to work. According to what they explained, they said in their family house, this Windy third sister lives in overseas, and he came to buy a house for the family, very close to their family house. So all of them now moved from village to that house. They were all living in the same area. So that particular day that lady discussed with Enoge, she came all the way from Torino to visit Mama Sharon. Okay. You understand? Okay. So when she was there, she was already telling Enoge that she was coming to Mama Sharon's house, that she would try to give Enoge information of what was going on. So when she was with Mama Sharon, Enoge was calling her. She left the phone on the bed. So when Mama Sharon saw that the phone was ringing, Mama Sharon now called her and said, your phone is ringing. Behold it, when she checked the phone, it was Investor Enoge that was calling the lady. She now said, what are you doing with these people? Why are they calling you? You understand? Yeah. She now said, no, I don't know why they are calling. So she now told Mama Sharon that she's going downstairs to take her children to the garden to play. So through that garden, she now has the opportunity to call Enoge and get Enoge wrong information. She's not Carol cousin. They are not related in any form. You understand? They are not related at all. Even when we were discussing this issue, most of Mama Sharon family, they know this lady particularly because they were in the same area. You understand? The lady is not related to them. She's not their cousin. They are not family. It's just that they were living in the same area. That was it.
Thank you very much. God bless you, man. I appreciate you. That's all. Off we're good. All right, man. Yeah. Yes, now people agree to now, but that's why I say we must go this matter and go get to the root of this matter. When I talk this is not a joke. Me. They can have a lot of havoc is over. Where animal pass that bush, now they twist the leg. Oh, hold on. You understand? Let's call the lady. I have the lady's number. Wendy. Let's call the lady. Wa double tap on the screen. Abeni ata. Na woni an gbe ni the screen. Na ni tito. Then otemego zo pa. We mo ni tito. Wa gbe ni screen. The tito. Wendy, we mo do mo fo. Mo ko. E no gi wonu we mo ko a. E do gi no we araji no we. O no ko ni araji no to boy ko de ni a. No, get people that want to work calling it now. Because I say I'll call them, but she can't call now. After they talk now, they watch the video. That's what they call when they now. Then when they pick up. You understand? Because you have where we surround not by. Now when they call you, tell you. If you so, don't listen to me smart. This is your day. That's what your muzzle. I guess that's so. Oh God. Oh God. Would they have money? If all rig now, with the mamu. Oh mamu. Let me play audio. I don't know.
Hello. Hello, good afternoon. Where will I start to play the audio?
Or the normal way.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah. Okay, we can't forget. Not forget the man. Okay, Mr. Oh, you're on. Hello?
Hello, Daddy. I don't call the girl. I tell the girl, say, make he call you. They try to call her. He say, not the way he phone. The girl will say, be Sharon calls you. He say, leave the phone for toilet. And they tell her, say, you they call her, why not they pick? He say, not the way he tell her, okay, make it pick.
Okay, don't they call.
Daddy, call her back.
Don't they call me now? Hello?
Hello, Pa. Don't motel you.
Yes.
The phone, yeah, education.
Okay, thank God.
Yes.
Yes.
So now you 2 missed call.
You did live video. You understand me now?
I hope no problem.
Yes. The problem is, Otaro me and nowhere. You're saying not call you. You understand?
Exactly. No way.
No concern of Sharon. Let's Sharon OKPAMEN.
Sharon, yeah.
First, the Sharon OKPAMEN was at the hospital. You were there, right? So who called?
Sharon hospital. Marital, no damn there. Yaya everyone where Menore Torino stay. Mary Rejo. We are saying everyone here.
And we are calling one where when you call.
I'm there. If you're not one, it's because one more you're loud. Yeah, no gay, so no gay. On my dwellers, and when my mate this thing, that is got my it would be the wish I know. I'm aware. I got my way better the same age meet the same happening. You are recovery life, you right and say life, you understand. So the one where they call it saga in no gay. So that me call useful, call useless. No, the people say you can't come out, now not make mistake. As you come out, you want to make people not they carry this say this lady don't late. Now I can't call you say she never late. She did coma. Now me call you. Now I say she not late. She did coma. Now prayer. Now everybody need. You understand? Now I can't tell you, sir, I'm going to see travel. Go Radio Emilia. I dey stay for Torino. I never tell you say I dey with Sharon. I go hospital. No.
Go ahead.
Hello, sir.
I hear you.
Yes.
Now let me.
When I reach there, I go see your right top. That is on Saturday. On Saturday morning, yeah. When I come wake, I go see your right top. You understand? I want to say, is she still alive? So now go use voice record, say talk to you. Maybe the voice record, they will just play her.
I don't play already.
Because she don't make her again. She don't late.
Yeah.
You understand? Now say every wrong managers in the door.
Yes.
She don't play.
Yeah.
You understand? I don't know the way like this with the beginning.
Yes.
So that is it.
Okay, now let me talk to you.
Then people, sir.
Make I talk. You don't finish.
I don't feel. Yeah, I don't feel.
Okay. You call a no-gay platform. I have the video here with me. You understand? You can't say a no-gay.
I call a no-gay.
Hold on.
I thought I call a no-gay. Yeah.
Hold on. You can't.
I can't even call you too. I still call you. I tell you say not be a no-gay buyer.
Wait now. You can't call Enogi.
Okay.
You can't say, you can't introduce yourself, say, una be cousin.
Yes. Yes.
You can't say,
yes.
You know, because you ask whether I ain't by Sharon. You can't say, no be by Sharon. Say, the day we no get announced and say, that day we no get announced and say, Sharon don't buy. Say, truly, Sharon don't buy, but she can't wake again. How true is that?
Yes. I don't know. That is what I heard. I'm not the hospital. Now waiting me here. Now if you wait there Ostra. If you wait there Ostra. Now Matt, the way you talk now I first call send that for me. Now I say you can.
Okay.
So that make me say tell you. Now I will tell you say she not like to be back.
Okay, if you with the Australia talking for social media, never talking, I'll be in call person to person.
I'm not no. My social media now for them send me the link.
Okay.
Not for listen.
Okay, they say you via link. You can't listen when you via call talk. Say
link, yeah.
It be bad, but it can't wake.
Yes.
So when you can't call Enogi, then you can't tell Enogi say Enogi not be you by Sharon. But true Sharon be bad.
No, I don't tell. No, we don't misquote me, sir. Okay. When Enogi will come out from whether now, so I don't know when he come and he come right left because I made this. I don't know with I don't forget. Then now I come tell her say, see, not be saying she don't buy or she never buy. You understand? I even say call you too.
You can't say you can't tell for that's a video where you for call. You can't say but it be bad before, but it can't wake.
Yes.
You understand? So either it be bad before it can't wake now a VA platform you for here.
Now for here, if you
okay.
I wish I do something for send that for you.
But not be you call Enogi, tell Enogi say Sharon walk by. We make Enogi take come out for that video.
Jesus,
Now question I ask, and they ask you question. Not be you call Enogi.
What you make me want call Enogi say Sharon? Why? Which connection me Enogi get? Wow, I'll carry for just call Enogi say.
But when you did Sharon Mama house, Enogi call you now.
When I did Sharon Mama house, Mama Nora. Me and Mama Nora and Sharon will be friends, you understand? I can't tell Mama Nora, say, I did go Mama Sharon's side though. You understand? So she never got me say, if I reach there, make I call. I don't even remember to even take call. So now they call me, my phone, then with my Mama Sharon. She called her because it will be Enogi. Now because no, not try now. Not pick that call. Not call phone, no.
Okay.
Now I cut my phone.
Okay.
You understand? So now after they say this one, when person they cry, Mama Sharon don't want me say no, okay, no. I don't know why. I never ask question. Now only when easy come, I do who ask her you call Enogi. So when a daughter Mimi come and say, mommy, I'm not gonna get that spirit take as easy. Say, you should call Enogi because they accuse us like Sharon. I'm not gonna ask her. It's not supposed to have easy. Whether you call Enogi, I'm not ask. So I could call, he said, now your goddaughter, essay. I can't tell her, I said, one, I forget about all those things. When you know they say one will carry on juju, if they accuse her, he's very free to carry on juju. If you know, say, he call a person, where he call her, if that person not come out, now he call no. If they go carry on juju swear, now they call no, they for me. My heart is clean. I'm not calling no, they say, Sharon, don't now, I'm not there with Sharon. Now, blood, now I tell you, now mama tell me. Now my papa tell me, it's like you're ready.
Okay, now when Enogi called you and Mama Sharon say make you not pick the call, you can't carry the phone. Later when you carry your children go inside garden, you can't call Enogi. You can't talk to Enogi. True or false?
When I come when I come carry my children go this thing, I can't
fella say I can't call it no, I can't tell it no. Say, Mama Sharon, she make I not pick your call. I tell it no.
All right. Thank you very much.
I can't tell her say all is well. I don't know why.
No problem. No problem. You are welcome. Thank you very much.
That is just it.
What's up with you?
Because Mama Sharon tell me say make I not pick a no call.
No,
then when I don't carry my children go get food, I don't call it no key.
We don't hear. We don't hear. It's okay. We don't hear. It's okay.
Since say make I not pick your call,
no wahala.
I don't know why. All is well.
All right. Take care.
Finish up.
All right. C'est fini. Ciao. Hello.
Hello.
I greet you, ma.
Tumewa la ikola ni akugwa. Ikola do not see usaze kola. Ewoni no what paper. Do not see usaze. Unaga no woman obiewu. Unaga tiave presenter when I give information. Kola. Yes, Sharon. Uswena senu we are siari amoka. Uswena de kola na. O wase na siga amoka. Pala. Oh, I
greet you, Pato. My food don't hang. My food don't hang. We don't pick call. Hello?
See, you know, say I don't reach. I be like this girl. You need to find this girl. This lady now. Don't find Bishop. Come out this night. Anyhow you want to get this lady Bishop. This guy will call. So I get all the record. This guy didn't like video where he call me say he just the rich house, so he just the enter Torino. So he just the come up for Sharon OKPAMEN mama house. Now what he tell me? Then he would tell me say, that is this guy, this lady, that level killer. We must find this girl, Bishop, come outside. Now this girl now tell me say, Koro. Now he tell me say, Sharon OKPAMEN. The day where no get an answer saying that he wake up that day. He wake up that day. Now he's your mouth tell me. You see, they yes, yeah. He even tell me say Sharon and he calls me, say that they be grandchildren. That's all the record there with me. I play for live video. The thing they bust my brain. This lady, daddy, if you not say I want to see this girl Bishop with the children Bishop.
Calm down.
Wait, come on, they talk for oh, but they hit me. Say no game. So I say this is already.
Calm down.
It's getting to relate to this family. Daddy, this lady, if you not pay Bishop, oh go, don't give children. Daddy, you need this girl a witch. Now devil.
Calm down. But it will be hot. Calm down. Piano. Capito.
Yes, get up. And then you wait to wait this girl talk. I record all of them. Now they deny everything. Say he don't know where he take that. He don't go to the hospital. He don't go to the house. But you tell me say just go color. Now I go call you to end this live video. Now me go call you now.
Calm down, okay? Piano. I greet you.
Hello, Mama.
I greet you, Baba.
Thank you, my brother, for my brother. Thank you so very much. That's not somebody the truth will come out for everything. That girl will call us. So maybe I say, that girl, that girl a bad girl for Torino. Meet the radio. Now we meet the person. So I call you 2016, October 26.
Yeah.
I didn't try for 10. Then we would the journey. We don't see him. We are joking.
What?
I don't know what we are joking about. I get to Sharon. I think easy. I don't want to say I make sure my name no level. But I need to let me take most of the station here. But we Sharon, why Sharon money make them about 2 years now. Money inside me about 10 minutes make go was Savannah or 1 million just for years to reach them at the shadow house, their mother house normal level.
Yeah.
But what I try to say, that girl, that girl a bad girl. That girl a bad girl. Mama Sharon not get problem with their children. Mama Sharon a very good woman, 50 cents. Right from time. Now she not get problem. Other man again, normal level, and not this family bunny. You can date anybody if you like. If life goes on. That doesn't mean anything. Not call that one.
Now this one now said the Murphy. The Murphy na person. I said it's okay. I know them. I was born and brought up in Airport Road, Boundary Road, the right Muslim Street. Well, it's okay. Well, no, it's imagine I'm close to 50 years. By November 22, I'll be 50 years. Yeah. But I'm very young. And my picture that I did my WhatsApp, so. I see. But I'm so very young.
Whatever.
What I try to say is, what I try to say, man, no gay. Now, person be saying, man, normal level will be dog by my acting, but that's supposed to have your current thing. After something go happen, okay, go not before you want jump. Come out, and okay, so I said, the Murphy, it's not good like that. You will listen first before you go jump at time matter. That's why you see people, they love you. That's why I say you say you be memoir, but why you listen before you jump at time matter. They settle down, arrange everything. Well, I know why you go far. What I just said to that girl, they say, now say you call no gay. You know, say the way to answer that question, I'm so very happy. Or that, you know, say the child ask a country, that girl gets a country, maybe say that girl, man, they never open up, finish. Oh, yes, according to the way to talk to a no gay. Now she call a no gay, now she give you a no gay information. If no gay not call you the sense, they don't jump come out.
Yes.
Oh, that's why sometimes if they accuse you with the family, they accuse you with you, well, say, oh, poor man, the way we are telling any also, or back here. I just not say this one are true words, because why? Nobody they feel they advance each other. They don't jump at that matter. Don't they jump at that? That doesn't miss it. That doesn't good.
Thank you very much.
Understand?
Wesley.
Yes, what I'm trying to say, man, that girl a bad girl. That girl a bad girl. If they keep inside this matter, man, you'll see everything will still come out. More. We be say, me and you never even know.
Exactly. We decide. What you go?
I know. Now just more.
Yeah.
Now that one I want you control because that call I just said, man. Now that one I want you like me I talk put.
Wesley,
bro.
All right, bro.
Thank you, bro.
One love. Hello, we're hearing you loud and clear. Fire down.
Hello, Ross.
What him?
Good. No.
Yeah, we hear you.
Okay. That girl when call your snap. Not be a sale. The other girl.
Yeah, Wendy.
Oh my God. Oh, two walk. They causing go when I take back. Media. God forbid.
You get points there.
When they cause you over when that have a social media. It's a that folk who know Nigeria not say. Once in a year, so 2-3 years near that make the one may cause you where. When I like the one platform to platform. Again, I mean you run my side to where she. Now you there go home. Now you do. Oh, say Nikoka. Oh, say. While the platform began, if we would see your shame at this place to our side. Expo.
Composer can compose song for less than 5 minutes.
Exactly.
5 minutes is monopoly. Inspiration we wire. Inspiration we wire. Igwe vaeno. Omanara we go. Or we that ra isu na linie wagalie.
Sharp, 2 minutes. What there? But yeah, go ahead.
Get on our calling now. He's a suspect. We are boasting where informat where a family Sharon or Wakuye they want get on our Sharon. Okay, no, you are coming because again as a suspect because imagine again we are party or you are boasting like the way a family Sharon want to speak. The real story of Sharon is here. Yeah. Mama Mia. So you when this caller you are a suspect, so you need to find your picture. You are a wanted okay. You are a suspect.
I agree with you.
Then in one
yes, my people, I agree to number that time. It's not that I don't have the map picture. I have our pictures. For those of you now when you come for my WhatsApp for UK, you can call my German WhatsApp. Don't call my UK WhatsApp. I'm not going to pick because that phone now take day live for TikTok. You understand? Not because I don't get the woman WhatsApp, the woman picture. I get the picture. But it never reached that stage to bring her picture come out because why I still do my investigation task. She's a big suspect. She's a snitch. She's a big snitch to the house. You feel me so? And the way she take talk for a no-gay platform, she don't really tie herself with words. She tie herself with words. That's why they accuse the no-gay. That's why they accuse the no-gay. You understand me so? Because for she to go to a no-gay platform, say, a no-gay come announce her, say, Sharon OKPAMEN, and Sharon OKPAMEN. She go to a no-gay platform, say, not be a no-gay. Now she not they put her to a no-gay direct, now say, not be a no-gay, not be you by Sharon. That time where you accused, where a no-gay announced that thing, truly, Sharon really by, but Sharon wake again. You understand? The way this is clear a regime matter between she and a no-gay, because she's trying to use that thing clear the hair to a no-gay platform. And she wants to bring the matter to my own platform for she to come clear the hair to my platform. But I refused. Because she was expecting me to invite her when I did live, so that she could come clear the same thing which she cleared for a no-gay platform, for my platform. But I refused because I was doing my underground. Because nobody she called me that day when a no-gay do that video. The person will call me that way, that call. That was the first person I played the audio. Now that same woman sent me Sharon picture where I post out that early morning to do that video. You understand? So our constant calling of me, come to find, I was like suspecting her. If me become a person, a person the monitor person, like I want to find informant where I supposed to use this woman to check what they have outside the house. I supposed to use this woman to check what they have outside the house. But because I just perceive this is normal thing, all I mean want is people pray for Sharon, make she well. That was my aim. Not to the monitor what was going on. When the information landed to my table, in the night say, Sharon does give up. Then I never knew, because me I know the most they come Facebook. Now when I want to come live video, now you see from Facebook, or some bloggers where they have they share their video, they forward video to me, I share them to Facebook. Now, see, I don't consider for Facebook, but they just check what they happen. I'm not get that time. Because I got that thing get the thing for head. I got that thing that my phone they do. Apart from Facebook live video, YouTube what they do. Then she calling me, they drag my attention to this Sharon coma, blah blah blah. She was like, what is this up? I call the guy, get my head down, small. Until someone call me and say, Sharon, don't give up. Say, Sharon, don't give up. Say, you really like, what's the word? We trying to talk. Man, that's okay. Then I quickly ask the person, get person that just right now, go give me information. If really say Sharon don't give up, now you the same woman, which is this what we call it. So I just write up. Is she still alive? They don't be like, say, I did talk lie and Shon. That was what I wrote to her. Is she still alive? Thank God, she when she said that word. I'll go to her WhatsApp now, conversation for WhatsApp. Okay. Now, this was on Saturday morning at about 6:51. What you understand when I write good morning, emoji good morning. How are you doing? Is she still alive? Good morning. How are you doing? Is she still alive? You understand? 6:51 and 6:52. Now the answer. Then she could reply me 8:41. They don't really finish the morning. Now she reply me. Yeah, they call you whenever she's there. Now, listen. May you don't use Sharon for the now. My lady is there. You understand? That was her response when she played the voice record to me. Listen, after I write, is she still alive? You guys listen to her response. You understand? That's to let you know that she was there with them. She was in the house. You understand? She was in the house. So definitely, if me, I write her, she respond. She give me the info, what's the stuff for the house. Definitely, the nigga can also write her, and she respond. She also give her the nigga's info of what's in the help with the house. And that's why the nigga they come and they call the pussy. I get the family won't come talk for social media. Because she get info for the house, the help for the house. Unknowingly to the family in the house. See, she they bring her info of what they play for the house to present us. You feel me so? Because me, I did drop my lies, I did drop my info as order. Hello.
Hello, bros.
I greet you.
So, good evening.
What up?
Now, this girl bring all the information come out. Now, she even this girl, now she see call Asaboro. When Asaboro just say so, say she get personal petty for inside their house where they give her information as this girl. Even when they say they go snap her for hospital bed, they share her for social media. Now, this girl go snap her. Now, she know that person to pay girl now.